Hello guys, this is Christoph with 3D Insider, and today we're doing a video. Going to be doing the time-lapse mode with the Osmo Pocket. We're going to be testing out the Osmo Pocket with time-lapse, and we're going to be hiking up Black Mountain right behind us. It just finished raining, so it's going to be super cloudy, and it's about to be sunset, so hopefully you can get some good footage right there. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like if you guys are liking this video, and I'll see you guys on top. Peace. Alright, halfway there. Oh, this is tiring. As you guys can see, there's some amazing video stability. And when I was running, the video was super stable. And when I was walking, it was super stable. And this camera shoots in 60 FPS 4K and 1080p 60 FPS. It's amazing, as you guys can see. See you guys on the top. So I just wanted to share what we're using to shoot the time-lapse right here. We're using a tripod so we can hold up our cell phone and the gimbal. So we're going to explain real fast how to set up the time-lapse mode on your DJI Osmo Pocket. Simply just download the DJI Memo app on your smartphone, and once you do that, just create an account and register. And then on the side you can slide down into where it says time-lapse, and once you do that, on the top of your screen you'll see some settings, and you can switch the intervals and the duration. So you could have the duration at 30 minutes like we did, and then you can have the intervals at 3 seconds, and then you got like a 10-second video. But you just gotta wait 30 seconds and then you got your video, and then that's how you do your time-lapse. Alright, so we got the phone on the tripod and it's just recording for a few minutes, and then we'll see the time-lapse, and I'll see you guys right there. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you guys have any comments, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.